I don't know if people are aware of this, but I found this on news out in Orlando. It's about the refrigerators of Samsung. I'm gonna post this link down. It's another YouTube thing to go to it and stuff. But I'm gonna post this. Once you see a little bit of this, where people are getting frustrated, where people are taking, you can't hear the volume, but I'm gonna try to get it to you somehow. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not.
Samsung fridge, and each time they said it was their ice maker. It's the ice maker. Crystal Jones lives in Palm Bay. He bought his brand new Samsung refrigerator last year. Scotland has now, because that's been a business last night. She says she's had problems ever since. All my extra ice.
This is where the refrigerator actually frees up. If you call Samsung, you might get some money back off of these things. So I'm gonna post it on my website so you know where it is. So give them a call and see what you can do. I'm gonna call them because I got one my damn self, and mine keep freezing up every week, and I'm tired of it. Thank you.